guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a great day. So today I have some ultimate cleaning motivation for you guys. My bedroom, my house in general, is a bit of a mess. I have let it go and let it go because I wanted to enjoy the nice sunny warm weather that we've been having in the UK recently, and I have let my house go. I am starting in my bedroom because this is the worst room of the house. I always think, considering no guests or anything really come up to the bedroom, then I always leave it till last, and then by the time I've cleaned the whole of the downstairs and the bathrooms and everything, the bedroom always gets left because I really cannot be bothered once I've done the whole house. So I thought today we will start in the bedroom, get it done, get it clean, get it looking nice and presentable, everything put away. The rooms that I am doing today is only the main master bedroom, the living room and the kitchen diner. So it's not too much, but I feel like it's going to take me the whole day. Lovely. I have my iced coffee with me. I have my cleaning caddy full of things. I also have another wash basket up here that I'm going to just dump stuff in that needs to be taken downstairs, so I'm not running up and down the stairs like a lunatic all day. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break it any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie. I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight. I would rather lie to you. are two wanderers at dawn of the world full of war. Early sunrise, I gave promise. You said always, and we run and dance. I'm following, I'm preaching, you're my church, I'm yin, and yang, you're my E, I'm your F. And no one is right, or this world is so blind. Feel no doubts in your eyes, you said always, and we run and dance. You said yes, I said always, and we run and dance. I'm a water, you're a wave, I'm a player, you're my prize, I'm a ghost, you're a house, you're my body, I'm your glide, and no one is right. Oh, this world is so blind, feel no doubts in your eyes. You said always, and we run and dance. We run and dance, oh, we run and dance, oh. I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong, and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For this all my life, you're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time.
So that is it for today's video. I hope you all got plenty of cleaning motivation. If you want any more cleaning motivation from me, then I have a whole playlist dedicated to cleaning, so go check that out. I hope you all like it, and like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would very much appreciate it. Leave me a comment also of what you'd like me to do next, or what you would like me to see. If you want like a house tour or anything like that, I will be glad to do it. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!